Have you ever walked into a room or finished a conversation and suddenly felt heavy, like something stuck to you? Most people don't know how easy it is for negative energy to build up in their aura or their home. Today I'm sharing the crystals I recommend for removing bad vibes, and there's one that I don't see many people mention, and I think you need to know about it. Hi, I'm Ethan, and I'm the author of 4 crystal healing books, including Psychic Protection Crystals, and I'm here to help you unlock the power of crystals in a way that's clear, empowering, and easy to use in your everyday life. If you're watching this, you probably already know that negative energy is just a part of everyday life, but you can reduce the amount of it that you allow into your space. For energy sensitive people or empaths, this is really important. Negative thoughts and emotions are normal. Everyone has them. So we definitely generate some negative energy ourselves, but we also absorb it from our friends, family, co-workers, online interactions, in arguments or disagreements we have. Also public spaces, workplaces, bars, hospitals, they all leave an energetic residue. Negative energy can weigh you down and lower your vibration and your mood, and even create energetic blocks. I don't know about you, but I don't need that. There are many ways to cleanse your energy, but crystals are my favorite because I feel they work like natural little filters. They help reduce the impact of negativity and protect your aura and your space. When your energy is clear, your mind is clear, and you feel more like yourself. Here are a few simple methods to use crystals to cleanse negative energy. Use a crystal point or wand and then move it down from your head like rain, and then the outline of your body, all around you, all the way down to your feet, and that clears your aura. A pendant, bracelet, a small pouch keeps your cleansing crystal in your aura working throughout the day. You can place a cleansing crystal in a blocked chakra. Now, the color of the crystal actually doesn't matter when we're just trying to cleanse a chakra. You can actually use a general cleansing stone, place it within the aura for 5 to 15 minutes, and it will clear that chakra for you. For my top tips on placement and gridding crystals throughout your home or within a room, this is covered in detail in my book, Psychic Protection Crystals. Let's get to the crystals. Clear to shimmering selenite, also known as Satin Spar, is a high vibration stone filled with angelic and lunar light. It is deeply cleansing and surrounds you in a protective white light. It cleanses your aura and repels negative energy from you and your environment. This is one of the most powerful cleansers in my opinion, and it is easy to find. It's still affordable even in larger sizes, making it ideal to place around your home, and it helps keep the energy clear and elevated. No video on protection from negative energy would be complete without mentioning black tourmaline, and you probably know that it is a great stone for its protective properties. It helps strengthen your aura against harmful energy. It can block or neutralize negative energies around you, but all black stones are great for absorbing negativity, and it works well in your home. My tip is to combine black tourmaline with selenite or satin spar. This combination is great for cleansing and protection together, so try it. Blue kyanite is like an etheric filter and a buffer shield against toxic energy around you. It's a calming, tranquil crystal and another high vibration spiritual stone worth seeking out. This is a silvery blue crystal connected to the Archangel Michael and has a very protective energy against lower vibrations. It cleanses and defends you from bad vibes and toxic energy. It's another good option to carry or wear if you're an empath or anyone on the spiritual path. If you found this video to be helpful and informative so far, could you please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crystal content like this? Thank you. Smoky Quartz is a powerful protector from negative energy. It absorbs harmful vibrations, cleanses them, and then sends them deep into the earth for healing. This crystal offers grounding and secure energy around you and your home as well. You could think of it being similar to how an earth wire or a grounding rod stops the harmful effects of electricity through the power of the earth. Yes, this is a salt lamp. So halite is the mineral name for natural salt crystals because they are a crystal that just happens to be water soluble and edible. This is the same crystal as the pink stone used in your cooking, lamps and candle holders. You may know about these for their ion properties, that they release ions, but they are also powerful cleansers. Salt is one of the world's oldest traditional ways to cleanse. These crystals are excellent purifiers of harmful energy in your home environment. They also absorb and purify any energy that comes into contact with them, and you don't have to turn them on for them to do this. Amethyst is another crystal that carries a very high vibration spiritual energy. It's another deep cleansing crystal, and this purple stone is another one that I think everyone should have. It transmutes negative energy from around you or directed at you by accident or on purpose, like a psychic attack. Amethyst is a good crystal for psychic protection. It's healing and it helps balance the energy of you and your home. Shungite is most well known for shielding you from your environment from any harmful effects of EMFs, electromagnetic frequencies. It is actually a very good crystal to cleanse negative energy of all kinds as well. It clears the aura and your home of unwanted energy. Shungite absorbs toxic and discordant energies and then neutralizes them. And this one here that's more shiny is the noble or elite Shungite. It is better for personal healing, but you can still use it for energies. Tourmalinated quartz is clear or white quartz with tiny or small black tourmaline crystals that have grown inside it. So you are getting the protective and cleansing properties of both crystals in one. Plus, if it is the clear quartz variety, it will also enhance the effects of your black tourmaline, giving it more power. And it feels like an energy filter to me, and it's absorbing and trapping any negative energy inside the crystal. Another crystal you may not often hear about for its cleansing benefits is sodalite, and I found it to work really well for this. It carries negative energy out of your aura and your chakras, almost like it's creating a flow or current of energy. And I actually wear a pendant of sodalite whenever I do space clearing, whenever I clear my house of negative energy, because I can feel that it's assisting me to make sure that I don't pick up anything while I do the cleansing in my home. So I do recommend you give that a go. Lithium quartz is a popular crystal for anxiety, and I have covered this in my Crystals for Anxiety video, but it's also a deeply cleansing crystal. It has a highly purifying vibration, and it absorbs toxic energy from your aura and helps detoxify it. It works by transmuting harmful energies and restoring them back into the energy of peace. So if you're new to crystal healing and you're wondering if you need to cleanse a cleansing crystal, the short answer is yes. These crystals absorb negative energy over time, so they need regular cleansing to work at their best. I cleanse all my crystals, including crystals like selenite. I believe that just like a water filter or an air purifying filter, they eventually clog up. Our crystals need to be maintained to work well. So you can watch my video on safe and effective cleansing methods if you need a guide. This should be appearing on screen now. If you have any questions about this video or cleansing crystals, please pop them into the comments below and I will reply. And be sure to check out my other videos on psychic protection and managing your energy. These should be appearing on screen now.